Afternoon, students. Today we'll start with exercise 6.4 of the chapter factorization of algebraic expression. In the last video we had completed exercise 6.3. In this exercise we are going to apply all the formula what we had learned in this chapter and the previous chapter, that is expansion formula. So here the first sum I had written on the blackboard. You can see that here m square minus n square. We know the formula m plus n and m minus n. Same way here, expansion formula we will write as it is. It's a whole square. We will not apply the formula over here. As it is you have to write. This also we cannot expand. As it is you have to write. Is the formula of a cube minus b cube. The formula of a cube minus b cube is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. That means m minus n, m square plus mn plus n square. This is the formula for m cube minus n cube. We had expanded, we had applied all the formulas now. Now we'll go for the cancellation. Here we can see m minus n get cancelled, m plus n and the square term get cancelled, and this here m square plus mn plus n square, and here also m square plus mn plus n square, that get cancelled. In the numerator nothing is left, we will write as 1, and in the denominator m plus n is left. This was the first sum. I hope all of you understood the first sum. Now we'll go for the second sum. Okay. Here we can factorize this term a square plus 10a plus 21. We had learned in exercise 6.1 that 21 is your product and 10 is your sum. The factor you are going to get, that is 3, 7 and 3, that is 7a plus 3a plus 21. 7 3s are 21 and 7 plus 3 is what? 10. Same way in the denominator we will get the product is 7 minus 7 and the factor sum is 6. The factor you are going to get 7 and 1 plus 7 minus a minus 7. And here is the formula of a square minus b square. That formula is a plus b and a minus b. And in the denominator as it is you have to write. After this we have to take out common. From these two we can take out common. What we can take out common? A. That is a plus 7. Here we can take out 3 common. A plus 7. From these two we can take out a common, a plus 7. Here nothing we can take out common, so here minus, so minus 1. Whenever we are taking minus common, you have to change the sign. It will become minus, will become plus. This as it is you have to write. A plus 7, a plus 3, in the denominator a plus 7, a minus 1 into a plus 1, a minus 1, a plus 3. Now we will go for cancellation. Here what can cancel? A plus 7 get cancelled, a plus 3 get cancelled, a minus 1 get cancelled. What is left over here? A plus 1. This is your final answer. I hope all of you understood the second sum. Now we'll go for the third sum. Eight x cube minus 27y cube 4x square minus 9y square. Okay, 8 is a perfect cube of 2. So we are, first of all we have to write in a perfect cube, that is 2x cube, and 27 is a cube of 3. 3y whole cube. Now here is the, in terms of square, 4 is the square of 2, 2x square, and 9 is the square of 3. Okay, now in the numerator, this is my a and this is my b. A cube minus b cube formula. A cube minus b cube formula is a minus b. After that, a square plus a into b plus b square, according to the formula we had applied here, solved. Same way in the denominator also, a square minus b square, that is a plus b, a minus b. Now, you open the bracket, 2 square, that is 4x square plus 2 3 is a 6xy plus 9y square, and in the denominator as it is we will write 2x plus 3y and 2x minus 3y. Now we'll go for cancellation. This bracket get cancelled. Your final answer will be 4x square plus 6xy plus 9y square upon 2x plus 3y. This was the sum number 3. Okay. Now here the fourth question. It's related with exercise 6.1. This is 24 is called product and 5 is your sum. The factor will be 8 3s are here minus and here also minus. That means the greater number should be minus, a smaller number should be plus. That means x square minus 8x plus 3x minus 24. This bracket as it is already in the form of bracket. So don't open the bracket over here. Now here is the formula of square. 64 is a square of 8, and this also is the form of square only, as it is you have to write. Now from these two, what we can take out common? X we can take out common. What you will get? X minus 8. From here 3 we are going to take common. X minus 8, x plus 3, x plus 8 into, this is my a and this is my b, a square minus b square formula, a plus b, a minus b, x minus 8 whole square as it is. Now here we'll combine these two brackets as the same, that is x minus 8, x plus 3, and the denominator x plus 3, x plus 8 into x plus 8, x minus 8 upon x minus 8 whole square. Now we will go for cancellation. X plus 3, x plus 8 get cancelled. X plus 8, x plus 8 get cancelled. Your square is there and this term will get cancelled, and x minus 8, x minus 8 get cancelled. That means all the terms are getting cancelled over here. The final answer will be what? 1. Fifth sum. X square minus x minus 2, x square minus 7x plus 12 divided by 3x square minus 7x minus 6, or x square minus 4. Okay, first of all we have to convert the division into multiplication. The first step is to convert the division into multiplication. The first term we will write as it is, 3x square minus x minus 2 upon x square minus 7x plus 12. The first term we have written as it is. Now in place of division, here we have to remove this division. So in place of division we will write here multiplication, and we will do the reciprocal of this. That means this term will go up, that is x square minus 4, and this will come down, that is 3x square minus 7x minus 6. I hope you all understood. The division is converted to multiplication. For converting the division to multiplication, we have to do the reciprocal of the second term. The numerator will go in the denominator and denominator in the numerator. I hope all of you understood this part. Now the remaining solving is factorization. 3 2 the 6 is your product. The factor you are going to get 3 and 2. Your 12 product is 12 and the sum is 7. The factor you are going to get 4 and 3. Here minus and plus, both the number will be minus, that is x square minus 4x minus 3x plus 12 into this. We will write the formula a square minus b square. Your 3 6 are 18. 18 is the product and the sum is what? 7. The factor you are going to get 9 and 2. 9 2s are 18 and 9 minus 2 is what? 7. Here minus is there, so greater number should be minus. That is 3x square minus 9x plus 2x minus 6. I hope all of you understood till here. The factorization part, factor I think so clear to everyone. Now from these two we can take out 3x common. When you take 3x common, what you will get? X minus 1. This 3x we have taken common, nothing is left, so 1. From this plus 2 common, x minus 1. These two brackets should always be same. After taking the common, check that these two bracket we should get it same. From here we can take x common, x minus 4. From here we can take minus 3 common, we will get x minus 4. This is the formula of a square minus b square, that is a plus b and a minus b. From this two, what we can take out common? 3x. What we will get? X minus 3. And from this 2 we can take out common x minus 3. Okay. Now we will combine it. These two bracket is same, that is x minus 1, 3x plus 2, x minus 4, x minus 3 into, here as it is, x plus 2, x minus 2. Here we will combine these two bracket, x minus 3 and 3x plus 2. Now we will cancel. What the terms we can cancel? Is there any like term? Is there any term can be cancelled? So if the terms are not cancelled, we will combine and we will write the final answer. What the final answer will be? Okay, here we can cancel 3x plus 2 and 3x plus 2 get cancelled. So your answer will be this. Remaining term we cannot cancel, so we have to combine and we can write. That is x minus 1, x plus 2, x minus 2, and in the denominator x minus 4, x minus 3 and x minus 3. This will be your final answer. I hope all of you understood. Sixth sum, 4x square minus 11x plus 6 and 16x square minus 9. Okay, now just tell me what is the product over in this sum. 4 6 are 24. 24 is a product factor. We should get 8 also, 11 also. That is 8 3s are 3 8s are 24, and here minus is here, plus is there. Both the numbers should be minus. This factorization we had learned in exercise 6.1. Same thing is there. 4x square minus 8x minus 3x plus 6, and in the denominator 16 is a square term, we can write it 4x square, and 9 is a square of 3. From these two, what we can take out common? 4x we can take out common, x minus 2, and from this 3 we can take out common, 6 comes in the table of 3 x. Already I said that whenever we are taking minus common, the sign will be changed, this plus will become minus. This is a formula of a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. So here 4x, this two bracket is same, we will write first that x minus 2, or 4x minus 3, here 4x plus 3 and 4x minus 3. This get cancelled, your final answer will be x minus 2 upon 4x plus 3. This was the sum number 6. Now we'll go for the 7th sum. Okay, already we had done question number 5 the same way. Your division is there. First of all, we have to convert the division into multiplication. The first term as it is a cube minus 27, 5a square minus 16a plus 3. This divide we have to write in multiplication, and this we have to change it. Whenever we write division into multiplication, the numerator will go in the denominator and the denominator in the numerator. That means reciprocal we have to do. That is 25a square minus 1, a square plus 3a plus 9. Okay, now we will apply the formulas and all. Here we can write it a cube 27 can be written as 3 cube. 5 3s are 15. Your product is 15 and the sum is for 16. The factor you are going to get 15 ones are 15 and 15 plus 1, that is 16. That is 5a square minus 15a minus 1a plus 3. 25 can be written as 5a whole square, that is 1 square is 1 only. This we cannot factorize. If we cannot factorize, that means there is no factor for this term. 9 and 3 we cannot get the factor, so we have to write as it is, no changes in that. A square plus 3a plus 9. Now here we can apply the formula of a cube minus b cube. Formula is a minus b, a square plus a into b plus b square. I hope you all understood the formula. Now in the denominator we can take out common. What we can take out common? 5a we can take out common. What we will get? A minus 3. From this here minus 1 we can take out common, a minus 3. Here we can apply the formula of a plus b, a minus b, that is 5a plus 1, 5a minus 1, and the denominator as it is. Okay. Now we will combine it, a minus 3. What we will get? A square plus 3a plus 9. Here we can get it a minus 3, 5a minus 1 into 5a plus 1, 5a minus 1 upon a square plus 3a plus 9. Now we'll go for the cancellation. This will bracket get cancelled. A minus 3a minus a get cancelled. 5a minus 1, 5a minus 1 get cancelled. What is left? Your final answer will be 5a plus 1. I hope all of you understood the 7th sum. Now we'll go for the last sum. Eighth sum, 1 minus 2x plus x square 1 minus x cube into 1 plus x square 1 plus x. Here we can factorize this term, which is a whole square formula is there, that we can write in this form 1 minus x whole square, that is the formula of a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square formula, I think all of you know. A minus b whole square formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Again I repeat, a minus b whole square formula. A minus b whole square formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. That means when we apply this formula, we will get the same thing. Here this is my a and this is my b. When we apply here a minus b, a square plus a into b plus b square. This term as it is 1 plus x square, and here 1 plus x. I hope all of you understood till here. So here what you are going to get, we will repeat it again, the same thing, 1 minus x whole square. Here 1 minus x, 1 ka square is 1, plus 1 into x is x plus x square into 1 plus x square upon 1 plus x. Now we'll go for the cancellation. What this term and this term get cancelled. Here this will get cancelled. So your answer will be 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. This will be your final answer. I hope all of you understood this chapter. That means we had completed the chapter 6th, factorization of algebraic expression. In the next period, we'll start with a new chapter. I hope all of you understood this chapter properly.